Alright guys, today we're working on a 2009 Mustang 4.0. So let's see, customer complaint had the AC going off when it was too hot. So first thing I did is check the coolant, make sure there's no leaks, and the tank didn't have any. So I pressurized the system. As you can see, I got like 10 pounds. I think I found the leak, but I want to show because it's really hard to see it. Let me see. It's really hard to see it, but let me use my spray soapy water and see if we can catch it. Let me see. You guys can see the bubble. Let me see. Nope. Come on. I guess it's gonna show a certain way that it will show. Oh, come on. Nope. I think you guys, let me see if it shows. You see the bubble? There you go. I hope you guys can see the bubbles. Let me see. Get the light a little. See if I don't messed up my light. Let's see. Maybe like that. Let's give it a shot. Did you see? It's hard to catch it, but you guys can see the bubbles. I think. Let's see. Running out of soap. You can see the bubbles there. See it? Okay, now you guys can see the bubble. Very good. But there's where it is, so we're gonna replace the thermostat housing. We start when I'll walk you guys through and see how to replace it. Alright guys, I got it ready to come off. As you can see, the upper radiator hose got the belt off, the idler, so I can get to the hose clamp here. Let me see, I just get some light. So I can disconnect the little hose down there from the housing. Up here, just this heater hose and the connector for the coolant sensor. So let me try to do it with one hand and kind of have it already like out of the way. Just twist it and get it out. That's it. Alright, you guys can see upper rear hose, the lower little hose, the heater hose, and the connector. And you can see some of the coolant down there. Let's see, here you go, where it's been leaking. So it's collecting there in the back. That's not the soapy, water that we spray. So that's it. So this guy needed to be replaced. Let's take a look at the new one. Alright, so this is the old one that came out. So this is the new ready to go in. So I just got the whole housing, so we don't have problems. And the only thing we need to do is switch the coolant sensor right here, and that's about it. So to take it off, I didn't show you guys, but it's just these 3 bolts. 3 they go. Let's see, this guys here, 8mm, and then while we're there, we're gonna throw a new belt. Just gonna put a new belt. The other one wasn't in very good shape. Alright, so see you guys in the next one. Just wanted to show you and where it was leaking from, and kind of show you what is involved to get it out.